Yeah, shit 6, we fucking running it now. Bam bam, remember the name, suck it down. Yeah, I came to be famous and take the place of your favorites. With all these ignoramuses came here to fuck around. I'm amazing, but I'ma save it for y'all to say. They get them wasted, but I'm embracing it all the same. And if you hate it, you probably take it straight in the anus. Ain't no way that I'm changing it, babe, I was born this way.
I'll take a bottle of Lanolin, squirt it in your fucking eye. Dry them dry, moist tears that you've been waiting to hold on to for years, you fucking soft cunt. I don't give a fuck. Probably your favourite type of material because you like flowers, you fucking pussy. I fucking hate you. Ketamine. We don't give a fuck.
Yo, if you on trees, yo, I'd smoke that shit. If I'm mixing Mother Nature, I'ma poke that bitch. I'm a creep, but you motherfuckers know that shit. Such a pervert.